Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Nintendo Switch error code 2165 to 1001. As per our research, the error comes when the Nintendo Switch fails to wake up properly, and users are unable to access the console normally. According to our research, the error is likely caused by a system issue or a failed boot process. It may also occur if the console is running an outdated system version. The first thing we suggest is to restart your Nintendo Switch console. Simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, then select Power Options and choose Restart. If your console doesn't respond, hold the power button for 12 seconds to force shut it down. Then turn it back on and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check the system version shown on the error message screen. If it's not the latest version, then power off the console and boot it into recovery mode. From there, update the system and check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, power off your console and initialize the system without deleting your saved data. Once done, power on the console and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then we recommend reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.